Every time we meet with entrepreneurs, we always say, how did you get in this space? And almost invariably, it's either 2011, 2013, or 2017. Their friends were buying these things, and they started reading about it. But the price is like a hook, right? The price kind of got them into it, but then hopefully they didn't stay because of that, right? They weren't. I doubt many people here are in this just because they want to see the prices go up. They're here because they actually believe in the technology, right? So what we've come to see is that people come in, they because of whatever, they're trading or something, they start to get interested. Maybe they start following people on Twitter or Reddit. They start to have new ideas. Maybe that is reflected in kind of GitHub activity and other things, and then there's new startups that come around. In most startup markets, price is a lagging indicator. In crypto, it's weird, right? It's different. Because you have this, because these assets have prices and they fluctuate around, and as a result, you get this, what I kind of have been calling the price, price, interest, activity kind of feedback loop, where the price feeds back into the fundamentals. Basically, the way I think of it now is we've, in 2017-ish, planted a whole bunch of seeds which are now going to hopefully kind of bloom in the next year or two. And those will, we hope, will kind of drive another wave of innovation, which in turn will kind of in this flywheel create more interest, more ideas, and just continue to kind of generate a positive feedback loop like that. So this is our way of kind of trying to characterize. Like whenever I talk to people that have been in the space for a long time, we always talk about the waves and the people outside of the space or more new to the space, sort of like, what are you talking about? And aren't you just focusing on price? And we're not focusing on price. We're focusing on interest and activity. So that's just kind of the historical context.